Ban ai mensim bat penseluri ki samla pule, bakin nang pernai bat tingshan haki jing pule ki bakham shalor, ka Thomas Jones Synod College Jowai kalapun ko burom yaki arspa arpongur ki samla pule, ki bala pyndep ika kerdan pule graduate haka Bachelor of Arts BA, bat Bachelor of Commerce BCom haka jing rakhe yaka graduation day ha Phalau ka college haka balang. Ya kajing lang Pynkup burom la penyai daka si bapoi assistant professor ha kajing don lang ukong san u Reverend CL lalu moderator KGP Synod mingi u MDC JHADC u Okto mewat lamin kum usumbut kongsan kinohikai bat kisamla pule. Shua kajing Pynkup burom layo kajing kren tiang na u principal ka college u Dr. DJ Lingdo bat kajing duai na u tercaj mitre lipon assistant professor bat nakasambha pawa assistant professor.
The culmination of years of hard work, the actualizations of goals attained, and the acknowledgement of knowledge that is succeed. So it is only fitting that we commemorate the road that we have all traveled together through this last few years. It has been a journey that started with tentative steps perhaps, but one that has taken us to remarkable heights. We have encountered some trials and tribulations along the way. We have experienced exceptional moments, magical moments, and created memories that will be fondly remembered in the years ahead. There was a saying, coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success. So as we look back over the last few years, or over the last 3 years, certainly there was a beginning, and thankfully there was also a progress, and yes, undeniably, there was success.
U Reverend CL lalu moderator KGP Synod mingi haka jing keren ulaong, kane kasengi kade kasengi jong pi ki samla, bar ka jing yadon ka jongi, baro hangni kade namar kane kasengi bakerpang jong pi. Pula keren aimen simru yaki da ka boong bakila pli ka jingkhang ba sya kalawe ka pernai ka jongki bat ula kenturu banang treshitom bat nang yakiu shakhman.
Because of what we are today, to attend this function is because of you. I know that you emphasize the importance of education and the value of hard work. So, first of all, I congratulate to all the students who come up successfully with flying colors during your exam. My dear student, we are here today because of your hard work, and we need to fear the Lord. I know that King Solomon, King of Israel, King Solomon challenges the people those time during his era. He said that, go to the end. Use slocker, use lazy person. Consider its way to be wise. In the book of Proverbs, chapter 6, verses 6 and 7, go to the end, use slocker. Consider its way to be wise. It has no commander, no overseer or rulers, yet it stores its provision in summer and gathers its wood and harvests. We know that this small creature, he knows how to collect food during summer so that he can have provision for the time of winter. So for my dear student also, you have to work hard. You have to learn from this small creature, ants. Summertime is a time of preparation. Maybe winter time is a time for exam. So you need to work harder. I've heard from the foreigner theme song, the sky is the limit. The sky is the limit. So there is much more beyond the horizon.
Nalor ki arspa arphongut ki samla pule lapan ko burom kerpang ru iaki arngot ki college toppers, hendri ngot ki department toppers, bat lai ngot ki toppers haka HSSLC Arts, Commerce, bat Science stream. Ki arngot ki samla pule ki balayo ya kanam college toppers ki long ka zamia bone tariang na English department kalayo hendri kendai point iwe lai persen, bat ka slubon sutnga na Commerce department kalayo nyopo point iwe lai persen. Kat baki hinringut ki samla pule ki balayo ya kanam department toppers ki long nakakasi department layo daka piba yolin shila nripun point arsan persen, naka history department layo da uman basungo nripo persen, naka political science layo da Maxwell Star Rembai nripulai point arsan persen, naka education layo da kapdianghun ika situng nripusau point san persen, na philosophy department layo da kalastika suciang nripusan point pra persen, bat naka academic department layo da umedon hipi susngi. Haka HSSLC lapan ko burom ya ulal rautar pangamte ubalayo distinction haka subject philosophy. Haka commerce stream lapan ko burom ya ugiv starbon W pakem ubalayo distinction haka subject English, MIL kasi, accountancy, business. Bat haka science stream lapan ko burom ya uterlot timon dekhar ubalayo distinction haka subject haka kasi bat biology haka teika college.
A chapter that we are in now and chapters ahead of us. And it is so fascinating to say that each and every person who is present here has his or her own story to tell, to reflect and to dish out. Their very own stories, their very own book of life, and their very own lives. However, I am so elated to say that within these past 3 years that we have been here and we have gone through together, a chapter is shared between my story and yours. And I, on behalf of the class of 2023, can proudly say that we all have achieved and we all have accomplished our task. We made it. We have completed and set a seal on this very chapter together. Nonetheless, at the very onset of our journey together, it was not crystal clear at all. It was an arduous task to even comprehend life. It was more like a hollow dream due to the pandemic. And during those inky moments, all of us reacted towards life differently. Some of us had it rough and distraught. Some of us lost our way. We were hopeless and even hit rock bottom. We were patiently tunneling through the winding roads of life, fighting against ourselves. However, things got better. It was stormy, but it never rained forever. We are blessed enough to make it through the excruciating storm, and here we are now, on this very special day, successfully completing this once tangled trip.
Today, we are the graduate student of a Thomas Jones Synod College. But tomorrow, we will become the alumni of this college. Even though we become the alumni of this college, we should never forget this college. This college will remain forever with us no matter where we are going. Either for searching a job or higher studies, the identities of this college will remain forever with us. And to all my graduate mates here, we should respect this college and should not forget this college.
Lapan pu penpeng ya kasengi kerpang jong ki samla pule daki jingruai balai shimbenta daki samla pule kani ka college.
Through hard work and spirit.